I'm a vegan of 13 years, vegetarian since I was a child, and I'm a mother to many rescue animals. Caring for animals is not just my life, but also my job. You know, I can talk as much as I want in Parliament about how great animals are and how much they deserve protection, but sometimes we just need people to see them up close. And, you know, they don't say any words, but they say far more than I probably ever could. I know the moment that changed me. I was 4 years old. I grew up in a tiny country town that was largely animal agriculture, and I think you sort of go one of two ways. When you grow up with that, it either normalises it or you see it really up close and it makes you uncomfortable. And I just watched Babe and I was obsessed with pigs, and I was talking to my parents about pigs constantly, and my parents lived on a freeway and a truck of pigs went past and I was so excited because I loved pigs. They were my current fixation, and I said to my parents, where are they going? And I'm really grateful that my parents were honest with me. I think that's really important without going into graphic detail, but they just said they go and be turned into food. And I just said, I don't want to do that anymore. And I stuck with it, and you know, now it's led me to where I am now. What a lot of people don't know about me, particularly if they follow me online, is that I'm incredibly anxious, very self-doubting, and I have chronic imposter syndrome coupled with dealing with really confronting and difficult animal cruelty every single day, and it does affect my mental health. One of the things that is most important to me to take care of myself and avoid burnout is to spend time with my animals and to put my phone away and to really connect with them. It also helps me check back into why I'm doing the work that I'm doing and who I'm doing it for. One thing that I've really noticed that's changed with time that I think is so important is just the huge change in accessibility of options, because so many people are going vegan or plant-based for so many different reasons now. Like, it's not just because of animals, of course that's a huge part of it, but for the climate, for the environment, you can still have everything you know and love, but just in a cruelty-free alternative. Changing your entire eating habits can be overwhelming. I first went vegan when I was 19, and there was a few instances where there was foods that I was struggling to completely give up, and I did eat them again, and I just committed to myself that tomorrow was a new day and I'd try over. I think that if we focus on veganism being about being perfect and particularly strict, it can be really limiting to some people. Any effort to reduce animal suffering, whether it's, you know, one meal or every meal, makes a huge difference and helps us going that right direction to creating a kinder world for every animal. And I want everyone to feel involved and included and part of this movement, no matter who they are or where they come from.